So we're here at Cardiff Castle, which is a unique 3-in-1 historic site, which is part Roman fort, part medieval stronghold and part Victorian mansion, which you can find inside these walls.
The current interiors of the mansion are by the hand of the talented architect William Burgess, who was employed by Lord Bute. Burgess spared no expense and did a major refurbishment which included extravagant features such as a hidden roof garden, an extensive library and a new clock tower.
After the Norman conquest, the castle's 12-sided keep was built on the site of the original Roman fort.
The oldest part of the castle, part of the Roman wall, can be seen from the visitor centre. Entrance to Cardiff Castle is £12 for adults and £9 for children. The castle is open from 9 AM to 6 PM.